see it for the picture so we can show everybody later.
I
Ah, Cody, yours is beautiful. Alex, can you show me your placemat you made?
Hold Alex's up. Help him hold it up. There you go, Alex. Turn it over.
Just wait till I show this to you in 10 years.
Come here.
Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Yeah, I got it. Please.
Don't videotape my temper tantrum.
It's just one happy family vacation.
Okay, 2 more minutes of this toy. Wait, you guys can't play?
Yeah, you guys gotta
Obviously.
share it.
Then room goes.
What you doing to me? What you doing?
Don't you like mama?
Thank you.
No.
He's just playing, honey. You protect me.
Touching my mama.
You gonna stop the bullet for me?
Get with
Wait,
Okay, just playing.
Just playing now. This is just play. Alex, just play.
No. Ow!
Alright, Cody, don't shoot Alex's mommy. That's not really nice.
I'm responding.
Get up. Get up.
You can jump. Cody, that's not nice.
My. She's a good sport. Okay, let her stand up. Alex, don't try to lift her, honey. I know you're strong, but don't try to lift her. Where's Mr. Smitty?
Here. No.
He said he's been the grumpy dwarf. It's really good. He's right by him. Hey, hey, hey. Andrew, don't hit Alex. Waiting for that shark?
That's mine.
Well, what is it?
Let's have his caterpillar, okay?
Well, this is sort of how it's been all vacation.
Cody, can you just share it for 1 minute? He'll give it back to you.
You're gonna give it back to me? I'm gonna give it back.
Okay, that's nice. I like that.
Cody,
Okay.
what's your